Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Gyan, and in this video today we are going to learn about binary number addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first let us understand what is a binary number. A binary number is a number system which is used in computer, and this number system contains two digits called 0 and 1. So no other digits are there in binary number system. So the word bi means 2. So there are two digits in a binary number system, 0 and 1. Binary number system is a suitable number system for computers because it has got only two states which can represent 0, which can represent absence of electricity pulse, that is off, and 1 which can represent presence of electricity pulse and which is called on. So binary number system is supposed to be the best ideal system suited for all the computer and computing devices. And now let us see how we add two binary numbers. So first of all, the rules of addition: 0 plus 0 will become 0. Same as it is in decimal number system. 0 plus 1 becomes 1. Then 1 plus 0, this again becomes 1, and 1 plus 1, this becomes 0 but with 1 carry. So now let us see how to add two binary numbers using some of the examples. So in example 1, let us take a binary number called 0, 1 and another binary number called 1, 1, and we are going to add these two numbers, and at the same time we can verify our result by converting these binary numbers into decimal number. So let us first add 1 plus 1, as the rule suggests 1 plus 1 becomes 0 with 1 carry. So for 1 plus 1 we are going to write 0, 1 carry over we will write here. Then 1 plus 0 will become 1, and again 1 plus 1, this becomes 0 with 1 carry. So here we are going to write 0 and 1 carry will come here, which ultimately comes here. So we have the answer 1 0 0. Now if we want to check it, the decimal equivalent of 0 1 is 1, decimal equivalent of 1 1 is 3, which becomes 1 plus 3 4, and decimal equivalent of 100 is also 4. So here we can see that we have been able to verify the question which we have done, it is whether it is correct or not. Now let us take another example of binary number, second example. So this time I'll be taking 5-digit binary number. So these two numbers we have to add. So 0 plus 1, this becomes 1, 1 plus 1, this becomes 0 with 1 carry, and again 1 plus 1, this becomes 0 with 1 carry, then 1 plus 1 becomes 0 with 1 carry here, and 1 plus 1, this becomes 0 with 1 carry, and 1 carry will ultimately come here. So this is our answer. This is the addition of these two binary numbers. Let us take another example, example number 3. So in example number 3, let us take three binary numbers 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. So here we are going to add three binary numbers. and while adding these three numbers we will be following the same rules. So let us start. 1 plus 1 will become 0 with 1 carry. 1 plus 1 again 0 with 1 carry. Then these two ones, this will become 0 with 1 carry, and these two ones, this also will become 0 with 1 carry, and here the result 0, here the result 0, both of these zeros, that will be 0. 1 plus 1 again 0 with 1 carry, and 1 carry is now here. So this is the final result of adding these three binary numbers. So I hope you have understood what is binary addition and how to add binary numbers. Now let us see binary multiplication. So before we start binary multiplication, we need to understand what are the various rules of binary multiplication. So same way, it is same as the rules are for decimal numbers. For example, 0 multiplied by 0 will become 0. 0 multiplied by 1, it will become 0. 1 multiplied by 0, this will become 0. 1 multiplied by 1, this will become 1. So these are the fundamental basic rules of multiplying binary numbers. So let us understand these rules by some of the examples. So in question 1, let us take two binary numbers called 1 1 and 1 0, and let's multiply these two numbers. So 0 multiplied by any number, that will become 0. So here we will have 0 and 0, and this 1 multiplied by 1, this will become 1 ones are 1, again 1 ones are 1. And now we need to add these numbers as we do in decimal number system as well, in normal numbers. So 0, 0 plus 1, this will become 1, 1 plus nothing, that is 1. The result is 1 1 0. Let us take another example. Question number 2. 1 1 0 1 0 1, and let us try to add these numbers. So 1 multiplied by these three digits, this will be same. So here we will write 1 1 0. 0 multiplied by anything, again 3 times 0, and 1 multiplied by these numbers, again same number, that is 1 1 0. Now we just need to add these digits. So 0 is here 0. 0 plus 1, here this becomes 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1, this becomes 1. 1 plus 0 becomes 1, and 1 is 1. So here the result of multiplying these two numbers is here 1 1 1 1 0. So this is how we can multiply binary numbers. Now let us understand the binary subtraction. So to do binary subtraction, first of all we need to learn the rules of binary subtraction. So here 0 minus 0 will become 0. 0 minus 1 will become 1 with 1 with a borrow, and this borrow will come from higher digit. And 1 minus 0, this will become 1, and 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, this becomes 0. So these are the basic rules of binary subtraction. So let us understand these rules by some of the examples. So suppose there is a binary number called 1 1, another number called 1 0, and we have to subtract the second number from the first one. So 1 minus 0, so here the rule is 1 minus 0 is 1. So here we are going to write 1. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. So here we are going to write 0, and this is the result which we got. So let us see another example. 1 0 1 0 1 1. So I am subtracting these binary numbers. 1 minus 1, this becomes 0. 0 minus 1, so here we can see that 0 minus 1 becomes 1 with 1 borrow from higher digit. So higher digit or higher bit is just on the left hand side. So here this borrow will come here, and ultimately after borrowing 1 from here, this will become 0, and then this 0 minus 1 will become 1. So here we will be writing 1, and since this digit has now become 0, so 0 minus 0 becomes 0. So this is the result here. Now let us see another example. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 1 is 1 with 1 borrow. So 1 borrow is from this side, so that's why here it is 0. Now 0 minus 0 is 0. So this is the result of this binary subtraction. So far we have seen binary number addition, multiplication, subtraction, and now let us see binary division. So same way as we have learned the rule of the other binary operations, so let us learn the rule of binary division as well. So if we divide 0 with 0, this becomes 0. If we divide 1 with 0, this becomes 0, unlike normal decimal numbers where 1 divided or any number divided with 0, that becomes infinity or undefined. And also 0 divided by 1, this becomes 0, and 1 divided by 1, this becomes 1. So these are the basic rules of binary division. Now let us see these rules with an example. So here we have a number called 10, and we want to divide a number called 1011 using this number. So let us divide. So suppose treat them as a normal decimal number and then apply the same rule. So suppose this is 10, this is 10, although it is not. So 10 ones are 10, 1 times, and if we subtract them we get nothing, and here a digit called 1 will be there after subtraction. And then we understand that we need to bring one more digit as this number is smaller than this number, so we need to bring another number. So for this we need to put a 0 here, so another digit which is 1, that this will come here. Now this is 10 1 ja 10, so this is 11, not exactly, but just to make you understand, this is 11, this is 10, so 10 ones are 10, and here 1 is remainder. So this is the result and this one is the remainder. If we further want to divide this into decimal, we can always do this. So we can put a decimal, and then by putting a decimal here we will get a 0, and then we can go for one more round. 10 ones are 10, and now remainder is here nothing left, which is 0 0, and the result is 1 0 1 0.1. Now let's see another example of binary division. So if we want to divide 101 with 10, so let's assume it's 10, 10, 10 ones are 10. Subtracting now and getting 0, 0 or nothing, so 1 is remaining here, 1 comes here. Now 1 comes here. Now we need to divide it. If we need to divide it further in decimals, then we could do after putting a 0, because this is the digit, and after this digit we have not divided it anymore, so we need to put a 0 here, and then if we need some more digit we can put decimal, and then the digit 0 will appear here, then 10 ones are 10, and here nothing remained, and 10.1. So this is the result of this binary digit. So viewers, I hope you have understood how to multiply, divide, add and subtract binary numbers. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and please subscribe my channel and like and share and comment. Thank you.